Hello Gaudi and welcome to your first science lesson of the week, Monday the 11th of January. Just to recap, our science topic is space this term. In this session, we're going to think about an easy way or find a way to remember the names and the order of the planets in our solar system. So what's in space? This week we are going to find out. You should have watched the video below. It was in last science lesson where we asked you to find out one fact, two facts, or write facts about planets with rings around them. It's all about our solar system and the planets in it. If you need a little reminder, you can watch this video again after this video. After watching the video, turn to your teddy. What is it something that you learned about that you found interesting about our solar system? Pause the video to have a think. We know that lots of you have found some interesting facts because you wrote them down and you uploaded them to Tapestry, so thank you for doing that. All the teachers in year 2 are really impressed, so well done. Now, for us in year 2, the most important aspect of our solar system that needs remembering is the order of the planets. So let's have a look at one way. Now, the planets in our system, the planets in our solar system, we've got the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. When I was learning about the planets, I think I learned about planets when I was at secondary school, we used something called a mnemonic. This is a way of remembering something tricky using the first letter of each word in either the sentence or the phrase. For example, lots of children find spelling the word because a little bit tricky. So you can use the mnemonic, which is a phrase or a sentence. For example, big elephants can always understand small elephants. That's one way of learning how to spell because. You can also use it. To remember the colours in order of the rainbow. For example, Richard of York gave battle in vain. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Below, you've got never eat shredded wheat. Can you remember where we've seen this before? Last autumn term, we looked at the points of a compass. That's correct. Never eat shredded wheat, north, east, south, west. There are other ways of learning how to spell because earlier we had, what do we have? We had big elephants can always understand small elephants. Here are three different ones. You've got blue elephants can add up sums easily. Big elephants can't always use small exits. Big elephants can always upset small elephants. 4 different ways on how to spell because there's no one right way or one wrong way. It's up to you on what you prefer and what you like. So we are going to create a mnemonic for remembering the order of the planets. There are lots of possibilities. Here's one here. Mad Vikings enjoy making jam sandwiches up north. Who do you think might like this one? I think it might be Mr. Watkins. Here you've got my very excited mother just served us nachos. And you've got my Mercury, very Venus, excited E for Earth, mother for Mars, just Jupiter, served Saturn, us Uranus, nachos, Neptune. So as you can see, they've used the first letter of all the planets and created words with it, and it makes a phrase or a sentence. My very excited mother just served us nachos. Before 2006, there was a 9th planet that was part of our solar system. This planet didn't disappear. It's still there. However, astronomers changed the definition of a planet and believed that Pluto didn't have enough strong... Let's try again. However, astronomers changed the definition of a planet and believed that Pluto didn't have a strong enough gravitational force, which means it couldn't collect all the objects and items that were there in its surroundings, which meant that Pluto was removed. Okay, so this one says, my very easy method just speeds up naming planets. Now, when I was learning about planets, I used the mnemonic, my very elderly mother just sent us £9. So the pounds was Pluto. Now, Pluto's not there anymore. Well, no, it is there, but it's not one of the planets in our solar system. So when you're looking at yours, you will notice that after Neptune, there's no P for Pluto. So you don't include that one. We would like you to make the mnemonic or make your very own one. This one here, my very excited mother just sent us £9, was made up by a child. We would like you to make your very own one up in this order. So, Mad Vikings enjoy making jam sandwiches up north. There's another one that someone has made up. You need to make up your own with the planets in order like so. So you are also going to make a little sheet. You're going to make a flat book, and Mr. Watkins has got a little video. And if you look in the description below, there's another link on how to make the book. So you've got the order of the planets here. And this one says, my very excited mother just served us nachos. If you lift this sheet up, mother, you've got Mars underneath, written underneath it. And if you lift up the word served, you've got Saturn. So you folded your sheet of paper in half, and on the front, you're going to write your mnemonic, and underneath, you're going to write the names of the planets. What I'm explaining it, I know it sounds a bit confusing, but once you've watched Mr. Watkins' video, you'll know how to make the flat book. It's really, really easy. Okay. Challenge 3. For a super tricky challenge on planets, Mr. Watkins has added some top trumps to Tapestry with instructions on how to play them. So you've got top trumps there, you've got this document there, he's uploaded it for you, and he's given you instructions on how to play, and you've got all of the planets on there. So I think the most tricky, that would be really nice if you could play that and you could upload it onto Tapestry. This one, I know it sounds confusing at the moment the way I've explained it because I haven't shown you the video, but Mr. Watkins has got a video, and if you look in the description below, click on the link and he'll show you how to make the book. As an extension, if you know any facts about any of the planets, you can record those and share them with us too. Okay, right, thank you, Gaudi. Remember to upload your work onto Tapestry. Mrs. Gabella and I have really enjoyed looking at all your work and seeing how hard you've been working, so thank you. See you soon.